Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get help in Windows 11. I'll be showing you two ways. All right. First up, go to your search bar and type in get help. Right here, as you can see, get help, which is a system app, is available. Just go ahead and go to the right side and click on run as administrator. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes. Now wait for the app to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and tell the problem. Let's say, for example, right here, fix Ethernet connection problem. Just click on it, which is a common problem. And there will be answers, all right, which will tell you to diagnose network problems, which are here or you're experiencing, and etc. To fix the problem, recommend using the link below, which is right here. If this doesn't help you solve the problem, just go ahead and scroll down, all right, or use your mouse to click on contact support right here. Click on it. Now click on products and services. Just go ahead and follow the simple prompts right here. Confirm, choose a support option. Just wait for it to load. Now once it loads, just click on chat with a support agent in your web browser. All right. Click on this one and confirm your email. As you can see here, a service request has been opened. We'll just open up a browser, and right here in this tab, as you can see, you'll be landed to the support chat. Now just go ahead and wait for the agent to come. As you can see here, an agent will be with you in a moment. Average wait time would be 15 minutes. Just wait for a reply right here. Another option is just by going to support.microsoft.com/en-us/contact us. So go ahead and go to this page. Make sure to sign in. Select the product that is having a problem. For example, Windows. It could be home or business support. Just go ahead and click on get home support right here. As you can see, the problem can't install or I can't pay for my subscription maybe. All right, as you can see here, with the same set of steps, just click on contact support right here, Windows, category, maybe billing, confirm, and again, it will just lead you to the same set of page, which is right here, a chat support. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.